Hi guys, welcome again. Today we are talking about Google BARD, a recently announced competitor to ChatGPT, also connected along large language models. So we are covering that and let's see what it has to offer. So yeah, starting with the first question for today. Uh, What's next? What are we hoping from Google's BARD, this product? Is it similar to ChatGPT or it has something exciting to offer?
We can expect to be better in dialogue making, and not that much good in doing other tasks. Maybe it's not that good in writing code for us, making writing translation, or writing content for people. So it would be much better in conversing with people. It will enable us to connect to the internet in much better way.
Okay.
One of the interesting things about BARD is that unlike ChatGPT, it will be connected to the internet. So it will be interesting to see the sort of performance we can get from BARD if it's publicly available, which I am pretty sure we will have access to. Okay. Compared to ChatGPT, what will be the performance of this chatbot in terms of the quality of the results? And yeah, it's an exciting front, but it's very difficult to say at this point what exactly Google is going to do with BARD.
Something like I noticed they are going to use the lighter version of their Lambda model, which is the basis of BARD. We're calling it BARD, but it's based on Lambda. So initially they will go with the lighter version because it requires a lot of processing, a lot of resources to run that, and some testing from limited people. They will validate. And the exciting thing it is like now we have something to compare ChatGPT with. Like now people will be sharing that this is what ChatGPT is answering and this is what BARD is answering, and they will compare who is dumb or who is dumber. And
In same market, maybe not. It's still too early to say that. I think that Lambda will be more focused on how you query the internet, and for content creators or for helping you in writing something. Maybe it won't be targeting the same audience, the same market, or BARD and GPT.
yeah, so something like what are the challenges for Google and how it's different from launching ChatGPT, and now they already have someone there, which was not the case for ChatGPT. So how is Google is going to make it more appealing? I think more than 10 million users are with ChatGPT.
ChatGPT will get specific kind of audience, specific kind of users. Maybe more technical people will go for ChatGPT, and masses will go BARD, and it will be more easy to interact with. It will make more sense to.
Why would the technical people go with ChatGPT? What's the reason?
Because let's say what is ChatGPT is providing you with writing content, with writing code, with rephrasing things, with rewriting things, maybe writing. Basically, it's automating things for you. And what will dialogue with you? You can it can do other tasks, but it will be better conversing with you. So that is why. That's my opinion. More when it will mature, the more it will converge into this thing. Like more technical people will opt for ChatGPT.
How about integration of BARD is it's announced it will be integrated with Google search. Like whatever you search, it will tell you some precise summary of your search and then the results of Google. That was only one example shared. And similarly, Microsoft will integrate ChatGPT. So Google has a suite of products. Microsoft has a suite of products, and they will integrate it together. How are you looking at that?
Yeah, I think it's time for Apple to step up.
Oh,
That's what we're
yeah, I
waiting
think
to see. Yeah.
no word from Apple yet.
No
around
word from
this-
Apple yet. That means
around
something
this software space.
might be coming up, because Apple has been hiring AI engineers for quite a while, but we haven't heard from Apple. So it will be interesting to see how Apple plays this game, because we've seen the big tech stepping up their game in this domain, and
It will be
don't
a
think Apple.
beautiful chatbot from Apple, more
Beautiful.
sleek than the bird.
Apple was never software centric, it's more design centric and
Experience
user
centric.
experience. It never gave, it actually never gave you something original.
Yeah, but imagine what, because, well, this might be a bit controversial, but well, let's say roughly 50% of the population of the world uses iPhone, and imagine what Siri could do if it was powered by some sort of conversational AI.
Yeah. Even if they change the battery amount, I would be happy with that. They make it more, yeah. Apple, maybe that's the thing. But if you see about 2 or 3 years from now, probably it will be playing in the market. And how you see BARD doing in the market? How people will be using BARD? How will it be different? How will it change the way we use Google as of now?
Well, I think our search will be more interactive. I think so right now what we do is we use a prompt and we look for in the top 5 or 6 results, and we look at those results to form a judgment or an argument about a particular topic that we're trying to learn more about. But with BART, I think we can dive deeper. So I think it will be able to, by using prompts from previous conversation that I had with BART or interaction that I had with BART, I can now dive deeper into a specific topic, and then
If the search engine becomes so intelligent, what will happen with the blogging industry? There are a lot of people who depends on whose total purpose is to get a good blog and archive it. If the search engine becomes so much intelligent, what will happen to the website making thing?
it's difficult to say.
Well, one thing is like Google is already into this internet data industry. They have a lot of data as compared to ChatGPT. Like they have search results, they have optimized search results, they know how to have a better query result. They have been in this industry for a while. They have a lot of data access, and they could become like ChatGPT is a bit outdated in terms of the results, like it's older one, 2 years old results, but I think this is where Google has more advanced real-time data access to the internet. They have large index of data. They know what are the prime sources of information, what are not, what are authorized sources of information, what are not. And they also are talking about more responsible AI in their BARD. So do you think that is a leverage that Google has, or that might be a thing that won't matter?
No, definitely Google will have lots of advantages as compared to OpenAI in terms of money as well, funding. I don't think that will be an issue with Google, especially I think the reason why we're seeing a lot of chatter about BARD right now, especially, I mean, why is Google mentioning this in a, let's say, trying to publicize this thing, is because I think they feel a little bit by ChatGPT, because ChatGPT might have shaken the core business a little bit, the core business of Google being a search engine, or let's say generating their income from ads and recommendation of ads. So I think Google will definitely this gives Google the right level of motivation to really put their foot down on the gas pedal on this AI, conversational AI, at least in terms of publicity, and try to calm their shareholders down a little bit. That okay, everything is fine, everything is under control, we have got this. So I think yeah, it could be a strategy. Going down the line, Google will try to step up the game in the search engine, and they have the money, the resources, and everything that's needed to get their game on.
One thing is interesting, like Google will be looking at how many people are searching for ChatGPT right now on their search engine, and they don't know what queries they are making. This is only with ChatGPT. So that's why I think Google knows the demand of this thing, that the world is going like it's rampant out there, people searching for ChatGPT. Google knows this and they know the demand, so that's there, and so they definitely don't want to lose this out. So they recently did the layoff, a huge layoff, now introducing a product. I think it's a very exciting time for AI and everyone uses Google. So whoever goes to the billions of people using Google search, they go there and they know BARD. So I think more people will know about the conversational AI or chat kind of AI as they know as of now, because I think not ChatGPT was not marketed so well, but Google has the wall of the world, that's Google search, and everyone who goes there, that's why everyone knows about Chrome. Like people left Microsoft Edge or Safari or others because Chrome is better, it's good, but it's a great marketing wall that Google has, Google search. So BARD will use that leverage.
Still many people think of ChatGPT as chatbot, and no is the best, and like if something other than another chatbot comes into it, people won't compare it like that's a general purpose AI model, and that is just a turnout, that's just a chatbot. They won't be able to compare it. Many people might try to speak to BARD maybe, but I don't think the working will be comparable. Still it's too early to say. Let's see what it does.
Yeah, exciting times, and we'll be looking forward to what's happening in this space. So.
Yeah, I think. Okay, we will close with that. Thank you for your time.